So before I start today's video, I wanted to just give a big thanks to all the support I've been getting on my channel. My Ripple video that was just uploaded the other day is now at almost 1,500 views, which is pretty good for my channel. I did gain a lot of subscribers from that video, and I just want to thank you guys for all the support you have been showing me since I started my YouTube channel. I started this channel to give mainly cryptocurrency advice from my years dealing with it, as well as, some just general personal financial advice, as well as stock advice, but primarily cryptocurrencies. And I just want to thank everyone who's been watching and who's been, listening, who's been tuning in, liking, sharing my videos. Helps me out so much, guys. And now on to today's video. So 5 months after Bitcoin and gold prices, became equal, they hit parity, Bitcoin is now worth 3 times as much as gold. The price of Bitcoin reached a new high above 3,400. Wow, 3,400. Remember when Bitcoin was like 400 a coin? Now it's 3,400. It's crazy. And that was during, at the time of this video, that was today. And that is a figure that is more than $2,000 above the price of gold. At press time, the precious metal was trading for about $1,257 according to the exchange rate. Now, overall, I think this is a sign that cryptocurrencies, and mainly Bitcoin, because that is the most recognized one at this time. You talk to your average person on the street about Ethereum, they're not going to really know what they're talking about. And that's not putting down Ethereum. I love Ethereum. I'm just saying that Bitcoin has become the poster child for cryptocurrencies. Most people don't even know about the other ones. So I'm mainly talking about Bitcoin, but other ones are going to follow suit, and that is that the cryptocurrency class, the asset class, is becoming more recognized by Wall Street, by investors, by venture capitalists. It is becoming something that more and more money is going to get poured into over time, and that's why it's good to get into it right now. A lot of people are like, oh, Bitcoin's in a bubble, it's too high, no way it's worth this. I disagree. I think Bitcoin has a lot more room to run, especially long term. I think 10 years from now, I think Bitcoin will be at $10,000 a coin. So if you invest now is the time. Now is the time. Now, it still remains difficult to determine whether the two, classes have any relationship to the market, but I think that they do. I think that Bitcoin and gold are basically, at the time, safe havens from the market when the market seems volatile, when it seems like we are in a bubble, which I believe we are. I think people, are going to turn more and more to these assets. I think once we hit recession or depression, I think Bitcoin and gold are both going to skyrocket. So right now Bitcoin is a lot higher than gold, but I don't want to put gold down completely. I think if you own Bitcoin, you should own gold as well. I have always in my videos talked about the value of diversification, and you want to own more than one asset. I wouldn't put more than 15% of your portfolio in any one asset. Maybe you could go up to 20, but never go more than 20, I would say. So if you have, $100,000 portfolio, which I wish I did, I don't, you might want to put 20% in Bitcoin, 5% in Ethereum, 5% in Litecoin, 5% Ripple, 5% gold, and then have, another 20% in stocks, maybe another 20% in real estate. You always want to diversify. But I'm going on a tangent now. The purpose of this video is that right now, Bitcoin is worth 3 times as much as an ounce of gold. And that is a spectacular news story for today. That is some huge news. I hope it doesn't hurt the gold bug's feelings. I know, I like Peter Schiff, but I disagree with him on Bitcoin. He thinks gold's going to beat Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's going to beat gold, but I do think both assets have value. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. If you have any thoughts on this video, any questions, anything, be sure to leave them below in the comment section. If you enjoyed it, again, like, subscribe, helps me out a ton. I've really, taken off on this channel a lot more than expected, and yeah, that's really it. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.